Hi there! Welcome to our channel, Learning Languages by Listening and Practicing. Let's start.
Topic: Taking action for our planet. A climate change conversation. Setting: two teenagers, Maya and Daniel, are walking home from school, discussing the latest news about climate change. Let's start.
Did you see that report about the rising sea levels? It's scary how real climate change is becoming.
Definitely. It's hard not to feel overwhelmed sometimes. Like, what can we even do as individuals?
I know, right? But I think it's important not to give up. Even small changes can make a difference, and collectively, we can have a big impact.
You're right. So, what are you doing to be more sustainable?
I try to reduce my waste by using reusable bags and water bottles. I also buy fewer new clothes and try to shop secondhand when I can.
Cool. I'm definitely trying to cut down on my meat consumption and eat more plant-based meals. It's better for the environment and my health.
Have you thought about getting involved in any environmental activism? There are so many groups working to raise awareness and push for change.
I'm interested, but I don't know where to start. There are so many different approaches, from protests to petitions to community cleanups.
It's true, there's something for everyone. Maybe we could research some local organizations together and see what aligns with our interests.
That's a great idea. We could even start small, like organizing a clothing swap among our friends or planting a community garden.
Yes. And remember, it's not just about individual actions. We can also hold corporations and governments accountable. Signing petitions, contacting our representatives, and supporting sustainable businesses can make a big difference.
You're right. It's not about feeling guilty or overwhelmed. It's about taking action, however big or small, and empowering others to do the same.
Exactly. By working together, we can create a future where everyone has a healthy planet to enjoy.
They reach their homes, feeling motivated and empowered to take action against climate change, both individually and collectively.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow our next videos.